Hello kids, you're welcome to class. In today's class, we'll be considering exercise 23. And the concept we'll be using in today's exercise are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and imaginary numbers. Alright, let's get started. From our first example, how can we get at 35? Assuming 35 was not given. To get 35, we simply add 15 and 20. 15 plus 20 will give us a 35. Alright, assuming 15 was not given, how can we get our 15? To get our 15, what we simply do is 20 minus 5. That will give us our 15. Okay, assuming 5 was not given, how can we get our 5? It's going to be 20 minus 15. That give us our 5. And assuming 20 was not given, how can we get us 20? It's going to be 15 plus 5. That will give us our 20. So this is very simple. Let's consider our second example. Alright, here we have two samples given to us. Alright, let's work with the very first sample. Assuming 26 was not given, how can we get our 26? What we simply do, we're going to multiply 4 and 6. That is 4 times 6. 4 times 6. 4 times 6 will give us our 24. Then we now add an imaginary 2 to it. 24 plus an imaginary 2. Remember, we are working with an imaginary number. And that will give us our 26. That was our 26 was gotten. Alright, how can we get our 4? Assume it was not given. To get 4 is going to be 26 minus our imaginary number. That will give us 24. Then we now divide 24 by 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. The same thing happened when assuming 4 was not given. 6 rather was not given. How can we get our 6? It is 26 minus our imaginary number, which is 2. That will give us 24. Okay, let's use our board. Assuming 6 was not given, how can we get our 6? What we simply do is 26 minus our imaginary number 2, that is 24. Then 24 divided by 4. That will give us our 6. That is it. I know kids, it's very easy to understand. Alright, let's consider the second example. How can we get our 17? Assuming 17 was not given. To get our 17, what we simply do, we're going to add 12 and 3. 12 plus 3 will give us 15. Then 15 plus that our imaginary number, that is 15 plus 2, will give us 17. Okay, let's assume 12 was not given. How can we get our 12? What we simply do is 17 minus 3. That will give us 14. Then 14 minus our imaginary number will give us 12. Let me come again. Let's use our board in this place. Alright, so this is what I'm saying. 17, to get our 12, what we do is 17 minus 3 will give us 14. Then 14 minus our imaginary number 2 is 12. That is it. Assuming 3 was not given, how can we get 3? Similar. 17 minus 12 give us 5. Then 5 minus 2, an imaginary number, will give us 3. Alright, let's go to our last example. This is very easy. In this very example, we are working with a code. And the code is 7 represent 1. If 7 is 1, and we can get this. 14 will be what? 2. Okay, 9 will be what? 9 will be 9 is 7 and 2. That is, 9 will not be 1.2. Alright, let's get started now. 5 plus 2 is 7. That is 1. 8 plus 6 is 14. It's 14. That is 2. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. Remember, in 10 we have 1, 7, and 3. That is 1.3. This is so easy. Hello kids, I know you've gotten something. You've learned something this. Now, we call it a day today. See you again in our next class. Have a lovely time. Bye for now.